there's Lewis. Lewis chasing the big 450 down. Oh! Fucking front just went, woo! Yeah, they will come up there, will. But where does it join back in? Because I thought it was down there. But then they've...
Oh no, it's there.
Oh, is it there? Yeah. I'll wait here for him then.
It's horrible being down there.
Yeah, I know, especially without your goggles on. Get round him! Can't see a thing. Oh. Well done. Oh, we missed bloody track. Whoa! Shit! Whoa! That was dicey. Oh, I've got mud in the eye. Teddy's gonna love this. Brutal.
Fucking awful thing.
There's Zach. Let's go with him. It's horrible.
I've run out of range.
I just not even brought my goggles out. Oh my god, that's probably the most I've ever been roosted on a lap.
How did you end up pointing the other way?
I don't know, back end just went wrong. Oh, what a mess.
Yeah, not good.
What are we doing?
All them dicks on that hill over there.
It's bad, isn't it? It's bad.
I don't know.
Alright, El.
I'd rather do tongue than do that again. Fucking old nuggets stuck on that hill.
Once your back goes, you're out, aren't you, for ages? It's real hard to get it back.
Could you see me from me up there?
No, we've only just pulled up and then saw you.
Well, let's come across the top. I was riding behind it, I was like, I can't ride behind this anymore.
Yeah, that's what I was like. I'm calling it after this lap. I'm done.
Well, this night, I'm thinking about following it now.
I'm going to finish the lap. Can't say it's that enjoyable though. Whoa! Thank you! Thank you! Oh! Following loose for Lewis. Come on, Lewis. Oh my god, where's the camera gone? Oh! We're getting some good footage of Elle though. Can't sit on that seat. It's absolute death. Huh? What are you doing? Oh my god. Come on then. Let's go on to white mode. Look, the young lads have took the short loop, haven't they? Oh. Can't believe how early I have to get my head down. This footage is going to be awful. Oh. I don't think we're going to have much usable footage there, lads. Well, if this is the end, That's the state of me.
Wow.
Mainly because of Elliot. Zach's been out, it's always fun to follow Zach. Elliot, Lewis, follow these lads if you get a chance, and I'll see you on the next one. Bosh! Oh, lovely. That's a 1. Cleaned it. Come on, Zach. Keep them feet up, lad. Oh! No. Oh my god. This is the worst video ever.